Palladyne AI achieves breakthrough in drone technology. What if small drones could think independently? Palladyne AI just made it happen. Their autonomous flight showcased drones powered by Palladyne Pilot AI software. In this test, the drone identified, prioritized, and tracked ground targets, all without human intervention. It's smart, efficient, and the future of drone tech. This innovation bridges a crucial gap. Small, affordable drones with advanced tracking, once only available in high-cost systems. Palladyne's breakthrough could redefine industries from search and rescue to surveillance. The best part? Commercialization is set for 2025, so it's closer than you think. With a seamless ability to integrate with third-party autopilot systems, Palladyne AI's success paves the way for smarter, fully autonomous drones. Co-founder and CTO Dr. Denis Garagic calls this step revolutionary. As they perfect this tech, the sky's quite literally the limit. Want to be part of this exciting transformation? Stay tuned as Palladyne AI brings us closer to smarter, independent aerial solutions. Like, share, and follow for updates on Palladyne's journey. The future is autonomous. Don't get left behind.